If you want to add a Visa gift card to your PayPal balance but are not sure how it works, this guide will help you understand the correct method in a simple and beginner-friendly way. Many users think they can directly transfer the gift card amount into PayPal balance, but PayPal works a bit differently. In this video, I'll explain everything step by step so you don't get confused. First, open the PayPal website or app and sign in to your account using your email and password. Once you're logged in, go to the Wallet section where you manage your cards and bank accounts. Click on Link a Card and enter your Visa gift card details, including the card number, expiry date, and CVV. Make sure the card is activated before adding it. After adding the card, it will appear as a payment method in your account. Now here's the important part. You usually cannot transfer the gift card balance directly into your PayPal balance. Instead, you can use the Visa gift card to make payments through PayPal. When you shop online and choose PayPal as your payment method, select the linked Visa gift card at checkout. PayPal will charge the card directly for that transaction. In some cases, you may be able to move small amounts indirectly by sending payments, but this depends on region and may involve fees. It is not a guaranteed or official method. Also, make sure your gift card supports online transactions and has sufficient balance. Some cards may require you to register a billing address before use. In short, link your Visa gift card in the Wallet section and use it as a payment method, but you cannot directly add its balance to PayPal. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this.